Okay, so if you're seeing this, this is about a week later after I did the Afro G treatment, and I told you guys my hair loved it. And what I did is just twisted up my hair in some big old ugly twists because I'm doing protective styling for a whole year, and I've been weighing them up in a bun tucked away, and which has been working. They actually feel kind of dry. So I actually ran them under some water about 2 days ago because I'm going to keep them hydrated. I'm going to keep water on them while I'm wearing my protective styles. But I've been on YouTube and I've been searching and just finding new people that I'm subscribed to, because I haven't been on YouTube in a while. Like since I had my baby, he's like 2 months now. I haven't really been doing much, and I may show you guys him today. But so I'm like, I've been subscribed to Mahogany Curls, but I just subscribed to Mahogany Knots and Summer with the Summer 88 and Naturally Curly Tree 03. I love their hair. And I've also been just looking at other people talk about the CG method or the curly girl method, and Mahogany Curls talks about them a lot. It's a book, it's a series out where this lady came up with the idea. I'm going to incorporate this into my 1 year healthy hair challenge. And what the CG method is using conditioner only to wash your hair. Now I do that anyway. I've always co-washed my hair since the day I've been natural, because before I went natural, I did my research, and I advise anyone out there, that's a number one tip, and I'll do a video on all my tips of being natural, but do your research, Google everything. But anyway, so I've always only co-washed, and with the CG method, it's no sulfate shampoos. You can do a low poo with sulfate free or whatever, but I don't do any shampoos. You cleanse your hair, and then you co-wash your hair with a conditioner. I'm holding it upside down because I like all of my conditioner to be right here when I'm in the shower. I don't really want to be doing this, but I use Suave's Natural. I started out with the coconut, but this is the juicy green apple. It smells good, and I like the blue one too. And they're like $1. And you know, when we're natural, we use so much product and so much water, and we're constantly, you know, doing stuff to our hair. $1 for this, and it's no silicones in it. You have to use a conditioner with no silicones in it. And I don't use silicones, but I didn't know that. But I don't use any of that stuff. No petroleum gel silicones, no mineral oil, no sulfate, no alcohol. I did my research 4 years back, so I know this. And I'm rambling, I'm talking real fast. But back to the CG method. So you cleanse your hair, then you co-wash, and you only detangle your hair with your fingers. Now that's what got me, because everything else for the CG method I already do, except I use my shower comb. You guys know, I tell you, this and a shower comb is match made in heaven. So how am I going to detangle my hair without a shower comb? Now that my hair's got so much fuller, longer, thicker, that shower comb, if I don't take my time, or if I do my hair in a rush, I'm pulling my hair. The whole thing with the CG method is to feel your knots and your tangles and take them out with your fingers. I can't wait to try that. Can't wait. I'm taking my twist out now. And I told you guys I was going to leave twist in for a month. I'm taking my twist out now because I really want to try to detangle like this, but that's not it. Okay, so you cleanse, you co-wash, you detangle with your fingers only. You don't use combs, brushes, or anything. I don't use brushes or combs, but I use that shower comb in the shower. You don't use that. You leave some conditioner in your hair, and you get out of the shower and you style. CG method is usually just for wash and goes. Now, I'm doing protective styling for a whole year, so I'm not wearing wash and goes. Because to me, your hair rubbing against your shoulders and your clothes and your cloth and all kinds of stuff like that, and being out with the weather is damaging, and I just really want my full 6 inches this year. So I'm not doing the wash and goes with my hair out, but the girls who are doing it, their hair is lovely, it's moisturized, it's beautiful, it's hanging. I'll start that after I'm done with this challenge to wear my hair out. But so So that's the only difference. I am just gonna get out the shower, leave some of the conditioner on, and twist up my hair or style my hair, braid it up in a protective style, leaving some of the conditioner still left in your hair. And what it's supposed to do is keep it moisturized and keep it healthy and keep it flowing and going. So Google and YouTube the CG method, the curly girl method, and that's what I'll be doing. So right now I'm just gonna take out my twist and co-wash my hair and detangle. I can't wait to try this detangling with just my fingers only. It's gonna be hard at first because I didn't really fully detangle my hair the last time with the freaking shower comb. So I know I really do got some tangles that I just overlooked. And then this, you know, having twisted my hair and wetting the twist, look at that hair sticking up, you know, so I know it's tangled. So we're gonna try this. I want to show you guys the baby, and that'll be it. So let's walk through. The house is pretty dark. He over here swinging. He got himself a new swing. He got himself a new swing and he sleep. Look at him. Look at my baby. This is my baby. Having a baby make you talk like this. This is so sweet. And sleep. He like this little swing. That little swing fooled him, y'all. He think I'm rocking him because he likes to be in mommy's arms all the time. Ain't that right, Bishop Lee? Oh, hold still. Anyway, so yeah, talk to you guys later. Bye.